Hello, my name is Shaurya, and in this video lecture we are going to learn about what is JSON Web Tokens and why they are so secure. JWT stands for JSON Web Token. It defines a compact and self-contained way of securely transmitting information between parties as a JSON object. This information can be verified and trusted because it is digitally signed. JWT are encoded as JSON objects that is digitally signed using JSON Web Signature. JWT is just a string with the following format: headers, payload, signature. Headers. The header identifies the algorithm which is used to generate the signature. There are basically two main algorithms that we use, and that are HS256 and RS256. And below you can see the format of the headers, where ALG defines the type of algorithm which is used to sign the token, and TYP defines the type of the token, which is JWT. So the next one is payload. Payload contains our claim that we want to store. Basically it means personal data that we define, and some other standard claims also. As we said that there are also some standard claims, for example IAT. IAT stands for the time when the token is issued by us, and EXP stands for the expiration time of the token. There are some more standard claims, and for that I have attached the link in the description. Now moving on to the last one, and that is signature. Signature is pretty simple to understand. Suppose we take the headers and payload and convert it into base60 format. The formatted strings are concat with a dot between them, and we get the structure like this. We can also use hash algorithms and hash it with a chosen secret key. Finally, we can convert the signature to base64 as well. Now let's move on to the frequently asked question. If you can decode a JWT, then how are they secure? See, JWTs can be either signed, encrypted, or both. If a token is signed but not encrypted, everyone can read the contents of the token. But when you don't know the private key, you can't change it. Otherwise, the receiver will notice that the signature won't match anymore. Let's assume John wants to send a JWT to Lisa. They both know some shared secret. Peter doesn't know that secret but wants to interfere and change the JWT. To prevent that, Lisa calculates the hash, and hash includes the payload plus secret, and appends this as a signature. When receiving the message, John can also calculate the hash, which includes payload plus secret, to check whether the signature matches. If, however, Peter changes something in the content, he won't be able to calculate the matching signature, which would be hash, and here it contains new content plus secret. He doesn't know the secret and has no way of finding it out. This means if he changes something, the signature won't match anymore, and John will simply not accept the JWT. So where should we use JSON Web Tokens? Here are some useful examples for the usage of this token, and one is authorization and information exchange. Authorization is the most common scenario for using JWT. Once the user is logged in, each request will include the JWT and allowing the user to access routes, services, and resources that are permitted with the token. A single sign-on is a feature that widely use JWT nowadays. And the other one is information exchange. JSON Web Tokens are a good way of securely transmitting information between parties because JWTs can be signed. For example, using public and private key, you can be assured that the sender and the receiver is totally genuine. And the signature is also calculated using the headers and the payloads. You can also verify that the content hasn't been tampered with. Here's an important note. It's important to understand that JWT isn't here to hide our data. It's here to prove that the data was created by us. So do not insert any sensitive information into payload. The payload should contain the information that is not sensitive. Once we decode the token with a private key, we will know if the token was created by us or not. And then we can use the payload data for our purpose. And that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.